What should I do if my Wise account is deactivated? Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to explain 2 or 3 things you should do in case Wise deactivates your account. Wise, formal TransferWise, is a cool platform to send money abroad. But if you are not using it well, she will close your account and you will lose your money. So day in, day out, Wise is closing people's accounts, and this is a headache for many people. So here are 3 things or 2 things you should do in case Wise closes your account. Number 1, make an appeal. Go to google.com and search "make an appeal with Wise" and follow their instructions to make an appeal if you think Wise has closed your account for no reason. To make an appeal, you need to snap. You need a photo of yourself. You need to upload your photo, your picture, and you need to take a selfie holding your card in your hand and upload those documents to Wise. After doing that, Wise will review and get back to you. So the first thing, if Wise closes your account, is to make an appeal. The next thing to do if Wise closes your account is to comment on their social accounts. Go to Facebook and look for their page, comment on it, keep on commenting till they get to you. Go to x.com and comment on their posts till they get back to you. Go to instagram.com and comment on their posts till they get to you. That's the second thing. The third thing is to file a complaint. The effective way to make a complaint is to use the United Kingdom Ombudsman. This is the fastest way to report Wise if your account is deactivated and you have huge sum of amount of money on it. So check on Google and type in UK Financial Ombudsman to make a complaint about Wise account, your Wise account closure. So these are the 3 things. Number 1, make an appeal with Wise. Number 2, comment on their social media networks or handles. And number 3, make a financial complaint with the Ombudsman. So these 3 will help you protect your Wise account and get your Wise account while you travel the world. Make sure to follow this channel to avoid missing content about Wise accounts and how to use Wise account closures and how to use Wise without any problem. Take care.